Tired of fighting algorithms and low engagement on social media platforms? Imagine having your own branded TV channel, giving your content the credibility it deserves. Link in the description area. We help you put your content on major platforms like Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and VIDAA. This will help your clients get their own branded Roku TV channel, with additional reach to Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and VIDAA TV. This is not just visibility coaching or a guest spot. They get a full channel setup under their name and brand for a full year. Having a TV channel positions you as a trusted authority and a leader in your field, like owning media real estate. You're not just selling a TV channel, you're offering a digital stage that positions your client as a category leader. A status symbol akin to owning media real estate. A way to host branded content without gatekeepers or algorithmic risk. A monetizable platform, ad space, interviews, upsells, an asset they can sell, etc. Host your branded content without gatekeepers or algorithmic risk and unlock diverse monetization options from day one. Official website link is available in the description area to get instant access. We handle all the technical setup, channel launch, obtaining press credentials, and training so you can focus on creating great content. We build your client's channel app and help your client establish your brand as a TV channel on Roku TV. Plus, get a branded mobile app submitted to app stores and dedicated client support to help you succeed. Official website link is available in the description area to get instant access. Ready to elevate your brand, reach millions on TV, and become an authority? Or refer clients and earn $3,500? Visit our link to learn more. Link in the description area.